हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है श्वेता।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है इंदर और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं मक्का टूर विद अब्दुल।
अरे वाह,
ये
चलिए देखते हैं।
अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर, वलिल्लाहिल हम्द।
Today I'm meeting someone amazing here in Makkah, and we will explore some of the most important places here in the city. We started at the Kaaba Tour, the cave in which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, found shelter, and also as a hideout in which the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his companions took refuge for 3 days and 3 nights before Hijrat or migration.
I have my childhood friend.
We are going to Mandi for our food.
Alright, bro, where are we heading? Where are we going?
We are going to Romancia restaurant for our lunch, Mandi, authentic Arab Mandi.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to order lamb, and also I'm going to try some camel meat. I think I've had it a few times here in Saudi, but I can't remember, so let's try it. Thank you, brother. Okay guys, alhamdulillah, we just got dinner, finally. It's 3:45. I'm so hungry. What are we having?
Yeah, we having camel meat with Peshawari rice and lamb with Mandi rice. This is Mandi, totally Mandi. Mandi meat Mandi with with Mandi rice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's see, bismillah.
So we have to do like this, so we can eat from anyone. So what are you having first? Mix. Best.
Okay, alhamdulillah, we just finished dinner, lunch. What time is it? We're just about to head to the mosque now before exploring some of the parts here in beautiful Mecca. I said you're not in a Muslim majority country unless you fight for the bill. Alright, of course I have to fill up with some good coffee. I've been up since 4 AM and I only slept about 3 hours last night. But alhamdulillah, we're here in Mecca, so we have to keep exploring this beautiful area of the world. We just came to Duncan. We're going to drive now to some of the most important historical sites here in beautiful Mecca. Just hopefully, inshallah, before the sun sets. We just prayed and we have a few more hours before the next prayer, so let's go.
I stopped. You see this?
For doctors and nurses.
So that mountain, Prophet peace be upon him, prayed there and said, "This mountain, if you want to pray, this is the same mosque I told you." Messi. So after this,
One place I really needed to see here in Mecca, of course, was Mount Arafat, also known as Jabal al-Rahman, the Mount of Mercy. It's where pilgrims head to from Mina on the 9th day of Hajj, holding prayers and reciting the Quran. At the end of his life, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, presented his final sermon or farewell pilgrimage speech to the Muslims who had accompanied him on the Hajj.
أبدا على حبيبك خير خلق كلهم दरूद उन पर सलाम उन पर यही कहना खुदा का है खुदा के बाद जो है मर्तबा सल्ले अला का है वो ही सरदार आलम है वो ही गमख्वार आलम है वो ही तो हश्र के मैदान में सबकी शिफात है
Okay, I've just arrived to the beautiful Al Haram Mosque here in beautiful Makkah. Look at the sunset. Wow, it's so stunning. See the sunsets here. There's a lot of classes going on here, teachings, and a lot of people. It's such a beautiful area here in Makkah. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful day. Umrah last night, exploring beautiful Makkah today, and hopefully inshallah later I'll go back to the Kaaba and pray. I don't want to leave Makkah, it's so beautiful. So these people here are actually Turkish. Wow, beautiful. Setting up the dinner, of course, here. Loads of food stalls around here. More people arriving. What a beautiful atmosphere. Abdul is forcing me to have ice cream.
what do you want? Mango, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate?
What's the best?
I think I like mango.
Let's do mango.
Mango with vanilla?
Okay, sure. Wow, probably one of the most beautiful ice cream van locations in the world, right?
The vanilla or the strawberry?
This man is too kind, he's paying
You
for
need
everything.
like this?
Sure.
Okay. Take this. Strawberry with vanilla.
Oh, nice. Let's try it.
مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم दरूद उन पर सलाम उन पर यही कहना खुदा का है खुदा के बाद जो है मर्तबा सल्ले अला का है वो ही सरदार आलम है वो ही गमख्वार.
This mosque called Masjid Al-Bay'a. Al-Bay'a means when the Sahabas make bayat on the hands of Prophet, peace be upon him. Sahaba from Madina, Ansar Medina came here and they did bay'ah here at this point, and Umar bin Abdul Aziz rahimahullah made this mosque here. He put the name of this mosque Masjid Al-Bay'a. Also this place name is Bay'at Al-Aqsa, but here happened. This is Bayatul Aqaba before migration of Prophet peace be upon him. People of Medina came here and they did bay'ah here on hands of Prophet peace be upon him, and they invited the Prophet to Medina. Please come to Medina and we will all do bay'ah on your hands. So this is the place for remembering this bay'ah.
हश्र के मैदान में सबकी शिफात है, वो ही गमख्वार आलम है, वो ही सरदार आलम है, वो ही तो हश्र के मैदान में सबकी शिफा। मुहम्मदुन सय्यिदु कौनैनि व सकलैनि वल फरीद।
So it's my final Aisha here in beautiful Makkah. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will go to Medina. Let's see, maybe I will stay here in Makkah one more day because, of course, it's amazing. So I'm going to head in, pray my final Aisha. Going to be very sad to leave here. I love these houses. They are pretty much designed like Arafat in Jeddah. So beautiful.
सबकी शिफात है, वो ही गमख्वार आलम है, वो ही सरदार आलम है, वो ही तो हश्र के मैदान में सबकी शिफा। मुहम्मदुन सय्यिदु कौनैनि व सकलैनि वल फरीद।
खत्म हो गया।
मुझे लगा अंदर से भी, बट हाँ थोड़ा
स्टार्टिंग में
थोड़ा बताया था।
तो थोड़ा अगर आसपास भी देखें तो काफी बोलते ना हिस्टोरिक मस्जिद और हिस्टोरिक जगहें हैं। ऑफ कोर्स हमें तो हिस्ट्री जानना चाहते, काफी टाइम लग जाएगा, पर हम कोशिश करेंगे जितनी हो सके उतनी हिस्ट्री जानने की।
एक्चुअली हम एक्चुअली मक्का व्लॉग्स बहुत करेगा, इस और भी व्लॉग्स हो गए तो आप सजेस्ट करिए।
ये थोड़ा आउटसाइड भी था।
हाँ, ये अच्छा लगा।
काबा भी हिस्ट्री करते हैं, इसमें थोड़े काबे का भी मतलब खाली दिखाया गया, बताया नहीं गया, बट आसपास क्या है ना वो भी बताया गया। तो उसमें काफी हिस्ट्री के, जैसे वो एक मस्जिद का बताया गया, काफी चीजें हैं, पहाड़ का बताया गया, तो काफी कुछ है बाहर जो हमें पता नहीं है। परमेश्वर वो हिस्टोरिकल जगह है सारी। बहुत अच्छा,
बहुत मजा आ गया सब देख के, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है। बड़ा मुझे आइसक्रीम खाने का मन कर रहा है।
वैनिला स्ट्रॉबेरी
ना, आई प्रेफर चॉकलेट। बहुत अच्छा लगा।
देखेंगे अब आगे।
तब तक के लिए वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब,
शेयर, कमेंट,
क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन।
बाय बाय।